popular restaurant that closed months ago has now been transformed into the newest COVID-19 testing site. Tryon Medical Partners opened up that site in Dilworth today.
Anchor Allison Lotto spoke with a physician on the front lines about the new location, the drastic rise in cases, and the new symptoms they're seeing linked to coronavirus.
You're now testing people who may be positive for COVID-19. That's located in the former Arts Barbecue restaurant spot in Dilworth. What are you anticipating in terms of the amount of patients who are going to be coming to you there? It's day one.
Right. So sort of based on our experience that we've had at our Matthews location, we're expecting anywhere from 30 to 60 patients a day. Today is a little slower. I think our staff is still getting used to the idea that we have a second location, and so they haven't scheduled as many patients there yet, but I think it's going to ramp up. That location is more convenient for most of our patient population than the Matthews location, so I think it's going to get busy really quickly.
You're seeing a huge uptick in the number of positive cases now. So tell me about that breakdown. And then I think it's also interesting that we touch on the symptoms connected to the positive results.
Right. So there's been and I'm sure you've heard, there's been a pretty dramatic delay in the testing results that we're getting. So in the last 2 to 3 days, we've been getting in results from the previous week. So like the 18th, 19th, and 20th, those results are coming in now. And there's a pretty significant increase in the percentage of positive tests. So at this point, I think we've sent close to 400, maybe a little over 400 tests. And I would say we're in the 40s to 50s as to how many of them are positive. And we're getting updates on that like multiple times daily. So that's changing really fast. And as far as the symptoms, one thing that's been really interesting to me, seeing each one of these patients and sort of talking to them about their symptoms and their exposures, I've been really surprised to hear the wide range of symptoms that patients are having. Some people are having, just a little dry cough for 2 or 3 days, followed by maybe, their sense of smell is off, and those people might test positive. Other people have been having a hacking cough for weeks and weeks. They're having fevers. They're short of breath. Some people are having diarrhea and belly pain. The range of just symptoms is just huge.
And Dr. Womack worries because there is such a range in symptoms. Some patients may not realize they have coronavirus and will spread it to others. That's why if you don't feel well at all, call your doctor and self-quarantine for 2 weeks.